Many Windows 11 users complain about getting this error code when trying to install a new language pack. Now, if you have already restarted your computer but the error persists, try to pursue these troubleshooting steps in this video. Firstly, re-download the language pack by navigating to this path in File Explorer. Then delete all files from both download and software distribution folders. Now, this error seems to occur more frequently on computers connected to a Wi-Fi network than on devices using a cable connection. So if you're on a Wi-Fi connection, switch to a cable connection and check if the error persists. You should also confirm correct date and time settings by going to Settings, select Time and Language, choose Date and Time, and allow Automatic Setup, then restart your computer and try the language pack installation again. But if those methods did not work, run DISM and SFC to detect and repair disk and system file errors. Do it by launching the command prompt with admin rights. Run the following commands one by one. Restart your computer and check if the issue is gone. And those are the ways on how you can fix this error code in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.